How to use Axos Invest properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Axos Invest is one of the most underrated robo-advisors in the US, offering low fees, automation, and flexible portfolios. But most beginners miss key features that can cost them real returns over time. Let's fix that. The first mistake is skipping the setup quiz. Many users rush through the initial questionnaire, but that's the foundation of your portfolio. Axos uses your answers to balance stocks, bonds, and it's based on your goals. If you click through too fast, your portfolio might not match your actual risk tolerance, meaning you could be too conservative or too aggressive. The second mistake is ignoring automatic rebalancing. Axos offers a feature that realigns your investments when they drift from target allocations. Beginners often disable it, thinking they'll handle it manually. But market shifts happen fast, and without rebalancing, you could end up holding too much risk or missing gains. Another common error: not using the self-directed option. While Axos automates most of your investing, it also lets you choose specificates or industries to personalize your portfolio. Combining automation with your own strategy is where the real power lies. Pro tip: link your checking account to enable automatic deposits. Consistent contributions, even small ones, are what drive compounding growth over time. And here's the surprising truth: most people lose returns not from market downturns, but from emotional decisions. Axos Invest automation is designed to remove emotion from investing. Used properly, it's a simple, intelligent system for long-term growth, helping you build wealth without stress or second-guessing.